up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. It's a beautiful day. It's another beautiful day. We are on the way to the track, and I'm taking y'all along with me. Well, I'm on my way to the track, and I'm taking y'all along with me. If you watched the last video, I was having some wheel spin issues. When I got home, come to find out, I had 30 to 36 pounds of air pressure in my tire. And I didn't bring anything to take the pressure down. So I was spinning off the line. Well, now I got my tools to air it back up. We're dropping the pressure. And I'm really debating on leaving my drag pack on permanently. Because every now and then, and this just happened not that long ago, somebody tried to give me the business in the street. It was a C706. And I spun the whole time. I lost. But it's because I was spinning. Traction control was turning on. Man, my car timing was just, man, it was pulling the hell out of timing. So anyway, that told me was I gotta be ready at all moments. I gotta constantly be ready for these fools trying to test me in these streets. So I'm thinking I just may leave this drag pack on and call it a day. I was debating on it because I like the way the other ones look, but I mean I like the way these look too. But still, I gotta be prepared at all times. Now when I do this, the only problem is because these rear tires are a little bit shorter. I think the front may be the same. So my car's a little bit lower. So I'm hearing this scrape the same way it was before I raised the front end up a little bit. So we got that problem or dilemma or whatever you want to call it. But we're gonna fight through that. I'm not too concerned with that. We're gonna fight through that. Anyway, I'm on the way to the track. Just left the house. Be there pretty soon. We running full E85, not a mixture. We got everything to bring the tire pressure down to make sure it works. And I'll see you when I get there. What up, guys? So I made it to the track. It's probably about the average number of people here. I didn't see anybody in line. I don't hear no cars, so I'm not sure if they started. I'm gonna let the car cool off for a little bit, and I'm gonna do the tire prep and do a few preparations, and then we going straight up to the line. I ain't playing. I do notice with the Supercharger, probably said it in the last video, that we get a little bit of heat soak. So I don't know how many back-to-back type of runs I can do. Probably not many, maybe 2 if I'm lucky. So let's get the car prepped, let it cool off a little bit, and let's get in line. Yeah, yeah, baby. Tire pressure is down. I got it down to like 20, and I think that should be enough that y'all see what it looks like. I don't know what that is right there. I'm gonna get that off. So it's pretty low. It's down to 20. So now I think they've started. So I'm fixing to get my camera set up, phone set up, and we fixing to go racing. Let's go. but it still got up and went. It was a little slimy. Never saw it. Never saw it. Temperature at 219. I'm okay with that. We're gonna let it sit for a little while. That felt good. I still spun a little bit, so I'm gonna come down on the tire pressure just a little bit more. I still spun a little bit. This better be decent. Thank you. God, yes! Yes! Personal best! Oh my God! I killed my personal best! Oh my God, I can't wait to talk to y'all about this. I absolutely killed it! I killed it! Oh my God, this has exceeded anything that I would have thought I could have done on the first pass just by dropping tire pressure. I like that without tire pressure. I don't like that without tire pressure. I'm gonna give y'all a hint. I'm gonna give you a quick hint. We got the best 60 foot. Yeah. We got the best ET. Yeah. We got the best miles per hour. Yeah. Oh my Lord. Woo! Woo! Okay, guys, so hope y'all can see me. Let me tell you, oh my God, this is amazing. I could go home. 60 foot. Spinning. Still spinning. 149. ET. 649. You heard me right. Not even a 6.5, a 649 at 106. Oh my God. I can go home. I did it. Blew it out the water. My previous PV, I can't even talk. My previous PB, y'all see all this spit, was a 6.9. I blew that out the water. Blew it out the water. Oh my God, this is amazing. Okay, I gotta go. I gotta go relax because I'm hyped right now. I'm hyped. I'm stupid hyped. And that was a shit burnout. I'm hyped. I need to go sit and think. Look at this slip in the stands. Let my car cool off. Be back on the next pass. Guys, I literally think I'm going to do one more pass and go home. I think I'm gonna do one more pass and go home. I'm happy with that 649. Sometimes you need to quit while you're ahead, but I never showed you the actual ticket, so let me do that now. I don't know if you can see it or not. 149, 649 at 106. I don't know if you can see it or not. Hopefully you can. If not, I'll probably take a picture of it. Actually, I already did take a picture of it, and I'll put that in the video too. Man, I think we're gonna do one more pass, and I'm gonna take it to the house. I'm not gonna beat on it. I've accomplished my goal. I'm not gonna be greedy. When you're greedy, that's when shit happens. I'm not gonna be greedy. Yeah. I'm gonna go back up here. Whew, I can't even talk. may have ran through the bulb. I think I made a red lid on that one. That one was suspect. I may have red lit. We gonna see. I was a little too excited, a little too anxious. Something happening first. I don't know if I was spinning, may have been spinning, or the transmission said one of the two. Let me check my. Woo. Wow, trans temp fluid 225. That's boiling. Then, yeah, I think that's gonna be it. We're gonna see what this time was. Thank you. Oh, I did not red light, so that was good. All right, so this one is interesting because my temp fluid is sky high. This one is interesting because it was a little bit slower. It was a 665. I'm okay with that, but it's a little bit slower. Still 106. My 60 foot was a 152, so that was slower too. But like I said, I'm okay with that. I feel like I cannot beat on this car like I was beating on it with the nitrous. That I can definitely see. I don't know if y'all can see that. Again, I'll take a picture of it.